All right, once again, we're taking a look at the power rule. We want to see how the exponent 4/5 can be applied to the expression 32y. So once again, we're going to apply this almost in a sort of distributive way, but not quite. Really what it is that the power gets to be applied to each term. So in this case, our A term is 32. So we would imagine this as 32 to the 4/5 power times y to the 4/5 power. All right. So first, we're going to try to clean up this 32 to the 4/5. Okay. Now here's something that you can think of. This is like saying 32 to the 1/5 power taken to the 4th power. All right. Now the reason why I do it that way is because I can find the 5th root of 32. Okay, it's a much simpler thing to do than to take 32 to the 4th power and then try to find the 5th root of that. So I'm going to bring down for now y to the 4/5. But what I'm going to try to find first is what is the 5th root of 32 first. And then once I find that, I could just take that to the 4th power. So there's a little bit of creativity and flexibility that can be applied here. So if we're looking for the 5th root of 32, we're just looking for what number times itself 5 times gives us 32. All right. Now, if you remember, we looked at this in a kind of a factor tree type of way. So I can refer back to that. 32 is the same thing as 8 times 4. 4 is 2 times 2. 8 is 4 times 2. And 4 is 2 times 2. So you can see here, I have 5 of the same number multiplied to itself to give me 32. So the 5th root of 32 is actually just going to be 2. And then I would take that to the 4th power. Times, here, let's not forget, y to the 4/5. So if we clean this up, 2 to the 4th power, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 again is 8, times 2 again would be 16. So this ends up giving us 16 times y to the 4/5